Well, this looks like an old-fashioned winter here. Holy mackerel. I already shoveled the driveway yesterday. And the roof up there. Holy mackerel, the wind is howling. This is right remember as a kid in a snowstorm. Well, let the clear off, rain back the next day. We go for a couple of days straight. Wait, if you look there, it's going to get snow. Look up here, it's warm for the kids. I'm telling you. And down here, driveway, look at the windows, wow, look at the windows. Oh, snow, look at the keys in the windows. Got this one over here. Oh, all the ice on that. Out of this down the street here. Holy mackerel! Okay, like I did the earth yesterday. Snow and everything else, eh? Taking that valley. Holy mackerel! All the way up here, and the snow. I don't know if you can see that or not. The snow is just cleaned off and everything else. Definitely. The winters we had when we were kids anyway. Snowstorms. Just look at this here. I turned around yesterday. I snow cleaned all this off here. Even cleaned the stuff off and everything. Well, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's right down to the pavement there. And the plow's been pretty good on the street, they've been up and down. But it's useless to be shoveling this stuff. Useless. Somebody's kind of across the street there, I don't know if you see that or not. Taking pictures. Oh my goodness. It's like worse today than it was yesterday. You know? Oh yeah, I even did this guy's yard yesterday. It's all snowed in, and they come and shovel later on, but it's just about useless. Everything we did yesterday was just about useless. We should the front step all needs to be shoveled off there in the whole 9 yards. Yeah. I'm not going to do nothing today. The wind's up too high. Really high. And it says 3 centimeters. Why jumping down the blowing snow is just retarded. You know? Yeah, it's just retarded. Anyway, I can still drive into the street with the 4-wheel drive, but I can't see him anymore. The wind is howling now. Oh, I jumped my truck there. I got very close up to the house, but I can get it, you know, down. I had this all shovel last night in the backyard. I turned around, snowblower there going. I just cleaned this off so the dog could out and use the bathroom, whatever. These are snowstorms that we had when we were kids, just like this. Of course, we'd be up playing in the snow and making forts at this time of day. But that's something you have to try to shovel. Shovel the driveway as well. Yeah. Holy mackerel. The old backyard here now. At least the snowblower can throw snow up on the roof anyway. I don't know if that's a foot there. There's my doors. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean up a little bit here and I'm going to go back to the house. I'm going to forget I might do this tonight. Just too much to do it and it'll blow back in. All it's going to do. Anyway, February of 2013 anyway. Nice storm anyway. But the wind was enough, eh? You know, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's weird. Oh, yeah. Terrible. Anyway, end it there now, I guess.